filmed a video in what seems like forever. But anyways, hi you guys. I hope everyone is doing great and is having an amazing 2022 so far. If my voice sounds a little weird, it's because I kind of just woke up and I decided that I was going to use my morning to make the rest of my new glosses because I've kind of been putting it off. I've been so busy working. I just haven't been giving any time to my business whatsoever. So I'm using this time right now to make up the other 4 glosses. The girlies fell in love with this gloss. The first gloss, and it goes by the name HBIC. And if you know, you know. Look it up and see what HBIC means. But yeah, this is the first gloss. It's so pretty. It applies pink, a nice pink tint. Really pretty, and it's cherry scented. These will be a new collection, but all these glosses will be located under regular wholesale. After I make them up, I'm gonna transfer them to containers. I'm just gonna start off in bowls. Bro, this is so weird. Like, I have not filmed in forever. I'm gonna get the gloss ready off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we can go ahead and start mixing, adding the oils and stuff in the scents. So I'll be right back. It's gonna take a little minute. So I have the gloss in each bowl. Now I'm going to add my oils and then add the pigments on top. If you're interested in a detailed video on how I make my lip gloss, check out my channel. I posted it last month. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and once every gloss is made up, leave in the comments which one is your favorite. More engagement all 2022. So definitely leave a comment and let me know which gloss is your favorite. So let's start with the pink gloss. Okay, so this is a nice dark pink gloss. Really pretty. So this is how the gloss looks. I already have 3 pink glosses, Dream Chaser for Keep and Go Getter. So this is a pretty addition to those glosses. I do not have a red gloss, so we definitely need one. So let's see how this one looks. I may have to add more pigment. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is, oh my gosh, do y'all see this? This is beautiful. Now, I don't know, I'm stuck between this one and HBIC in the back. I think the red one might be my fave. This is beautiful. I really hope the girlies love this gloss. Like, I hope they love all of them. But like, this is beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit more pigment All of these will be available for retail and wholesale. So after I make these glosses up, I'm gonna go ahead and start filling a couple of my sample jars. Look at this red. And then we got a nice pink and a nice purple. Cause I only have one purple gloss, and that one is slept on, and it's really pretty. But this one back there is different, okay? Like, y'all can go on my Instagram and look at the likes in the comments. Girlies went crazy over this gloss in the back. So I'm hoping once I release it, we get some orders for it because it's really pretty. And it looks really nice on, and it smells amazing too. And y'all already know the formula is top tier. Very smooth consistency. And this one smells amazing too. Cheesecake scented. So here is our first red gloss. I may add another one in the future, but here it is. This is permanent, here to stay. This one is going to be marshmallow scented. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I think I picked some beautiful pigments. And this is how it looks before I mix it. Nice bronze color, okay. Beautiful. Indeed, it is. And then we just have one more gloss, and then I'm gonna start filling some sample jars. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Very pretty. Okay, so here it is, all mixed up. Okay. So this is a very soft pink, I feel like. Mixed. Okay, so this is definitely, what would you say this is? Because it's not a pink. I was thinking it was a pink because of how it looked in the pigment. This is more like a brown color. Yeah, definitely brown. Okay. I'm always here for another brown. Yeah, this is definitely not pink. I take that back. Okay. This is pretty though. This is really pretty. But I definitely want to find a nice soft pink. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for that. Because I really just knew that this was a pink color. So we gotta find a soft pink because I would love to add that to this collection. This is all that I'm going to be adding right now. I have tons of different pigments, but I do not have a pink shade, a soft pink shade. But I have tons of pigments. Like, I was supposed to add new glosses months ago, but I just never got around to it. I think this is good to start off the year. I think adding 5 new glosses. I don't like to just throw a bunch of stuff on my website. I like for it to kind of, I guess, make sense. And I know I haven't added new glosses in a while, so I'm like, you know what? Let's start the year off right, add some new glosses. But I do love making holiday bundles and stuff like that. So I will definitely be coming up with something for Valentine's Day. Some special glosses for that. But yeah, so these are the glosses. Here is how this one looks. Very beautiful, vanilla scented. I love the shades that I chose. So pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start filling a few sample jars with you guys. And that may be it for this video, honestly. You just have to follow the Instagram to see more content, okay? And all of these glosses are lightly scented. I do not like for my glosses to be overbearing. And this is how I like to add my glosses to my syringe. I feel like this is the best way to do it because it's not messy. On Instagram, I see lots of people, which is fine, do it however you want, but I see lots of people taking it and adding it like this, and it just spills everywhere. So I like to do mine that way. It's easier for me. Y'all, this is a really beautiful gloss lineup. Support the brand. This year will definitely be better than last year for sure. I'm claiming it. So I guess I could do 5 of each. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get me a nice swatch video for my Instagram, and then I'll come back and show y'all the swatches. So like I said, make sure you follow my Instagram, Sha'Naya's Beauty Bar. Everything will be down below. If you would like to shop these glosses, they'll be available January 14th. Like I said, I have no idea when this video is gonna go up, but January 14th, everything will be available. And here are the swatches, and I literally just came up with all the names, and I like them. I think they fit. So starting from the top, this is It Girl, and then the red one is Top Notch, HBIC, Bossy, and this one is Rich. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave in the comments which one is your favorite. Everything will be available on January 14th.